Good morning, students. We will discuss here about environmental issue. Environmental issue having the pollution topic, that were pollution, any undesirable change in physical, chemical or biological property of environment is called pollution. The factors that cause pollution are called pollutants. Types of pollution: air, water, soil and radiation pollution, etc. Air pollution: any undesirable change in physical, chemical or biological property of air is called air pollution. The important air pollutants are oxide of sulfur, oxide of nitrogen, oxide of carbon, smoke, smog and ozone. Effect of air pollution: oxide of sulfur and nitrogen causes chlorosis and defoliation of leaves in plant. Acid rain. Greenhouse effect: the photochemical smog destroy plant vegetation. The ozone formed by the photochemical reaction of oxide of nitrogen and hydrocarbons at lower level of atmosphere is called photochemical. Scrubber: it removes gases like SO2, industrial exhaust. Catalytic converter used in automobiles for reducing emission of harmful gases. Vehicles filled with catalytic converters should be used unleaded petrol and leaded petrol. Inactives the catalyst auto fuel policy. Next one is water pollution. Undesirable change in physical, chemical or biological property of water is called water pollution. The important water pollutants are the sewage waste, industrial waste, chemical fertilizer and pesticides. Effect of water pollution in biodiversity. We all know about biodiversity. We already discussed in our class about biodiversity. Variety of bio means variety in animals as well as in plant also. The sewage waste directly released to water source stimulants and increase the pathogenic microbes. It causes waterborne disease. The nutrition enrichment and water results eutrophication and algal bloom. It increase the BOD, that means biological oxygen demand. The pesticides enter the water resources, lead to biomagnification. Industrial wastes having heavy metal and eutrophication, that means the process of increase in algal production in water due to nutrition enrichment is called eutrophication. Biomagnification: accumulation of non-biodegradable chemicals, heavy metals in human being through flood chain is called biomagnification. Greenhouse effect and global warming. These two effects are very harmful for all the earth or earth living being. Global warming refers to the heating up of earth due to greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect is caused when gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, etc. increase in the atmosphere. It leads to the heating up of the earth, such as are good absorber of heat. These gases prevent the excess effects. It affects Arctic polar ice cap to melt at the rate of 9% decade. The rise in sea level causes flood in certain countries like Bangladesh, Maldives, etc. It causes flood and water shortage. Underwater cities like coral reefs and meadows result in extinction only in the colder climate. Controlling measure of global warming. Reforestation replaces maximum carbon dioxide or it grows up oxygen, preventing deforestation. Reduction of fossil fuel burning can minimize. Improving the efficiency of engines and turbine. It reduces pollution. Planting hundreds of trees across cities in the home. Depletion of ozone layer. Ozone layer is formed in the stratosphere by the effect of ultraviolet rays on the oxygen. The thickness of ozone is manufactured in Dobson units. Cause of oxygen ozone depletion. Ozone degradation has increased due to chlorofluorocarbon. It causes ozone depletion. Chlorofluorocarbon, that is CFCs, reacts with ultraviolet radiation to release chlorine atoms. Chlorine atoms are catalysts that degrades ozone to oxygen. The CFC released in the lower part of the atmosphere move upward toward the South Pole, hence depleting the ozone layer over Antarctica. What are the major harmful effects? Ultraviolet rays damage the DNA, result in mutation. Mutation means sudden change in our genetic structure that carries so many types of new characters inside the human being. Pherones. Chlorofluorocarbons are known as pherones. Ecozone is ecological sanitation. This approach is useful for converting the solid human excreta into manure. E-waste. It is the electronic waste which include irritable component of electronic gadgets. Thank you.